would have got the front of it, but I forgot that.
I'm not taking them.
I would have got the front of it, but I forgot that I had the damn camera facing me. I was taking selfies. There'll be another one coming through here in another hour. Damn, that's a long train. If that derailed, it would be fucked up and cool at the same time.
You run like a motherfucker too.
It wouldn't hit us.
Tank's right there below. I won't be anywhere near.
It wouldn't matter. We couldn't run fast enough. Holy shit. Yeah, this thing is long.
Yeah, these trains.
Goddamn. Got one engine in the front and two in the middle. This thing is long as shit.
That's what I said. It's too long. I'm not going to worry about taking every picture of it.
The end of it's coming up. That would have been cool to call the whole time.
I got it.